All right, we broke out the orb high here. Now we're waiting for a little retest of it and rejection. So retest, some kind of wick off this orb high, like a rejection wick candle. That's where you enter long. They call that a retest. So if you don't get the good retest, you don't enter long. And what the retest is just help you prevent fake outs, right? Let's say it went long here, like see a break, and then retest came but did not. You don't see support here. It doesn't wick up, keep coming lower, and it prevent you from going long. But if a retest is good, where you get a wick, we're like, okay, looks like it can retest it here, looking good. It's possibly long, right? This candle here is look like a possible long here. Now I want to see a little confirmation. Next step. Hopefully we get another green candle here, and then we can go long. But that's why you wait for candle closure. See this here, this is a good wick. Now if this candle starts to go green, then I will go along with the market. I'll consider this a retest and rejection, so that's good. I think this candle is about to close green here too. Now I'll use this last candle as my stop.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in long here. I'll use that candle as my stop. Stop's at 963. I'm in long at 2500 pretty much. Here we go. Stop is going to be at 963. And TP looking for even. If unsure, just use your measuring tool. You're going to want to get at least a 1 or 2. We definitely going to get 1 or 2 here. A little bit more than that. Now we wait for this to play out. Obviously, market's volatile, so anything could happen. Once you're in the trade, all you can do is just manage your risk, right? Oh, yeah, of course. Now he's just baiting the candle.
Order filled.
See, when that happens, I just exit because you know you're wrong. I'm wrong right away. Look, this big rejection. All of a sudden, once we enter, now you just exit. Stop it right away. Yeah, that just sucks. We had a good rejection here. Retest, 2 green candles to print, and then bam. Candle just to stop us out. Now I'm really gonna go long here if this candle come back green. I'll take that as some kind of liquidity grab or something. The SPY did really well. Recover everything. Even IWM recover. A lot of things recovered there. Looking left, we still have room for a little bit more upside to the previous day high or the other day high. I think that was Monday. Monday's high. See if we go long back again. I'm gonna go long
Order
back again.
filled.
I have my stop here underneath 956. I'm in long around the same spot. Back long, same spot. Hopefully we can get stop out again. This market is definitely killing a lot of traders right here. Just how you trade this part, how you trade this. Way up, okay. You can't even trade from here. Oh God, you're getting stopped up everywhere. See, now this move got erased. I guess you can see this as a retest also. Now we're marching up. Just come on. Get a big run up now. Buys going higher, so that should help also. Buy breaking out day's high. Yeah, you know, that's just the nature of the market right now. Just big wicks up and down. It's hard to catch a move without getting stopped out somewhere. Just too much going on geopolitically wise. You gotta worry about all these traps too. I don't think there's any more news out right now until later on. Let's see, 7:20, 7:30. We got crude oil inventory. I mean, that could cause some volatility because going on in Iran. We're pushing right now, so finally. All right, we're cashing this move. Let's hopefully get the whole move. Retest this the previous day. Monday's high, I mean. Yeah, at this point, you either trail up some profit, trim, etc. Or even trail up to break even if you want. I personally would be like taking 3 contract off. So go here, click 3 and just sell 3. So that means you take 3 off of 5. So you hold 2 runners left, 2 cons left. Right? Well, I'm going to be aggressive today and I'm going to add 5
Order
here.
filled.
So I'm being aggressive. I'm adding 5 and I'm going to trail up a little bit more. I'm in 10 cons now. I like this push up so far. Here we go, up 700, about 800 so far. Push is cupping. Let's go. Go. There we go. One more candle now, trim. Up like 800 here.
Order filled.
All right, I trim 5 here. Finish show up. We almost TP. That's take profit. Right. I'm gonna scale this up higher. I'm gonna set this sell to 4. I'm gonna show up tighter. Give a little room to run. Start trying your stop up. We are up. We're moving up. We got more than 1 or 2 already, so everything else is gravy here. Can we make it to 25, 100? We break above that, we see higher. This market is so crazy. But everything that's going on is still pumping like this. It's insane. All I gotta say. Yeah, good push on VIA, good push on tech. It's okay, good. Amazon just strong today. Tesla's is moving higher too. Nvidia trying to break out 183. That's gonna help. A little bit slow down here, couple candle. Let's see the reaction here. And we get another push. Ethereum is strong too. Crypto is strong today. ETHA up 6.43%. I bought a lot of dips on that thing. Looks like now 14 bucks. Now it's at 15.88. We're watching that thing come back to at least the 20s. I have my tops at $40 maybe the end of the year. Here we go. We almost TP, guys. So got a little bit more here. So I'm going by candle here. So the last candle closed on this wick. That's when my stop. That's what I mean when trailing up candle by candle. Each candle stops, develop. You want to trail to the next candle up, right? That's just ensuring that you are gonna stop out in profit, and you're not stopping up too soon, because if you can go higher without stopping out, you just trail some more, right? Always have like some kind of process where you know where to exit, you know when to take profit. like 2 bad trade earlier, but 1 good trade, and I kind of capitalized on that, and now I'm back positive, plus some more. So now we're breaking out that the Wednesday high. If we break above here, I think we can go higher than that. So definitely trail up from here, because we did break out from Monday's high now. So now markets want to see it break above here again. If we want to be super aggressive, it will push higher here, so stop people out. There was a lot of stop up here. So it's short, so they can stop them out. They have to squeeze them out. It'll go longer. It'll go higher. Yep, we hit target for sure though. TP hit though. Now we just got trail up. Look at that. Continue trail up. See? So now stops getting all the cells up top here from Tuesday. The short is getting stopped out. It's getting squeezed out. So you just trail up again. We aim for higher. We get as much as you can out of this. And that's why I say go candle by candle so you don't get stopped out. Looking good here. If we get stopped here, fine. Look, we smash our TP profit. We trim profit. We're right now everything's just gravy on top. Gravy on top, guys. And that's it for today. Once we're done, I mean, there's no need continue trading when you know how volatile this market is, right? Don't not try to give everything back. Continue trading after this. We caught the big pump. Yeah, Tesla's just going nuts today. Tesla, Amazon, Meta pumping. Nvidia's trying to break above here. Here, 183, 32. Yep. Ethereum up like 7.33%. Ethereum ETHA. So my last 500 now up like $800. Let's see, I have some more room to push them more higher. Want to squeeze them out. Squeeze the shorts out. This thing moving like the war has ended. Oh my goodness. Alright, this is tight candle. I'm gonna give it a little bit more room. I want to see a strong candle before I really trail up here. Give it some breathing room. Another $900 here so far. I figure if it trail too tight, I might get stopped out. I guess I could be okay with that. I have one. If I get stopped here, I got one more runner for the rest of the move. So sure, I'll get a little tighter here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, all right. Keep going up. $1,000. Keep going. I don't care. That's a home run, guys. That's a home run. That's a home run for the day. Keep going. Hope you guys are in it too. Oh man. And what happened, right? We got stopped at our first entry here on the orb break. Right here. But once I saw that wick, I saw the continual green. I was like, I'm gonna go back in long. You know? Just follow the rules. I didn't get scared off of it. Oh, nearly stop us out here. Dang. Nearly stop us out. Let's see. Come on, don't stop me. I'll go higher. give me a little more. Starting to run out of steam.
Order filled.
All right, so I got one left running here, and I'm gonna hold it for the rest of it. Let's see. I'll throw this up to this last candle here for another 77 bucks. Yeah, that'll be my stop here, and that'll leave me some breathing room for it to make its move if it wants to continue to go higher. And I'll pick an even number at, because market likes even number, and I'll have my TP there at around 200. Thanks, man. That was close. That was close. We so let's just review so you guys understand. All right, we got the opening range, 5-minute candle, right? So this 5-minute candle, 6:30 opens. We mark a high and we're low. Let's call it ORB high or low. I didn't mark it here, but when you have a level like a previous day high, you can just use that as the ORB low. That's opening range low. So you have shortcuts templates, so you don't have to keep typing it. Just click. Once that happens, you switch down to the 1-minute candle, and you just watch the price action develop. If it's in the middle of the range, there's no trade. You don't trade yet. Let markets decide. Once it breaks out of a certain range, let's say it broke the below here. So this was a failure here to me. I took this entry short here because I saw the SPY was coming lower than what NQ was doing. So I thought maybe that going to trigger NQ to come lower. We took an entry up here. It did came a little bit low, and then we got this wick up. This was as far as candlestick pattern goes, that's called a hammer, followed by another engulfing candle. That's a sign that it will go long, right? That's the first time. But we're not going to take that long going up because what? We're still in this range here. Even if you took long here, this pattern here, there's too many wicks developing. You will get stopped or somewhere in the line. It's just hard to hold. Even up here, like how can you long here and then not stop up from this candle, right? So we ignore all that. We waited for a real break. So over here, it looked like it wanted to break up initially or pie, but it was not strong. When I mean a strong break, it has to break up above with the body close above, right? That's what we call a strong break. We want to see displacency. Once it came back down, so this is a bunch of news again that came out. Now we're starting to see it come back up. Now this is pretty good break. It's not considered a strong break, but it's pretty good. Then we got a retest here, rejection. We enter here, long, and then what happened? We got stop on this candle, but we still saw rejection. Stop here above the ORB high. You see rejection wick. That's support coming in, and that's what then we started to see candle build up. That's why it's like, okay, let's wait for a couple more green candles to confirm that, and then we're entering long, and the rest is history. After that, we saw institutions start coming in, kicking in, follow through, and yeah, that's it. That's the trade in a nutshell of how the ORB strategy works. Now it looks like we're topping off here. Coming back up a little bit, which I'm okay with. I have one contract running, so if it stops me out here, I'll be in the green still. That'll put me almost. I could actually stop out here and make myself 200 bucks, $3,000 even for the day.
Order filled.
I'll stop myself out personally. Just get $1,000. So $1,000 profit for the day on I think 8 combines. Did not trade XFA today. Just feel like trying to pass this Apex combine.